No Atom, Grade 5, Unit 1, Student Reader, Matter in Motion, pages 33 to 35. Section 3, Patterns on Earth. Gazing into Space. Long before the Hubble Space Telescope was launched into space, people used to watch the sky. They noticed patterns in how the sun, stars, planets, and moon moved across the sky over a day, a month, and a year. From Earth, it appears as though our planet stays still, while the sun, moon, and stars travel around it. The sun appears to rise in the east and set in the west. The moon seems to travel across the night sky, and the stars appear in different places in the night sky depending on the time of year. Caption: the movement of the sun across the sky marked the passage of time. Scientists now know that Earth is in constant motion. Earth and the other planets orbit the sun while the moon orbits Earth. At the same time, Earth is also rotating. This means it spins like a top. Caption: Earth's movement in the solar system. Day and night. Earth rotates on an imaginary line that goes from the North Pole to the South Pole. This imaginary line is called an axis. Earth rotates very quickly. Earth completely rotates around its axis about once every 23 hours and 56 minutes, 1 Earth day. The reason we don't feel like we're speeding through air is similar to how it can feel in an airplane, like the plane isn't moving. Gravity holds us all onto the planet, and so we rotate with it. As Earth rotates, part of the planet gets light and then dark. The sun always shines, but its light only hits 1/2 of Earth at a time. This is why we have day and night. The patterns in how the sun, stars, planets, and moon move across the sky are caused by Earth's movement. All of these bodies appear to rise in the east and set in the west over one day because of Earth's rotation. Telling time with shadows. During the day, the sun appears to move across the sky. At dawn, the sun appears close to the ground in the east. As hours pass, it moves upward. By noon, the sun appears directly overhead. In the evening, the sun appears close to the ground again, this time in the west. At night, the sun appears to disappear. Long ago, people noticed that as the sun rises in the east, it casts shadows that change throughout a day. Shadows are dark shapes created when an object blocks light. Caption: shadows change over the course of a day as the sun moves from east to west across the sky. The length and direction of the shadow depend on how low or high the sun is in the sky. When the sun shines down from directly above you, your head is the only part of your body blocking the sunlight. As a result, there is very little shadow. In the middle of the day, around lunchtime, your shadow will become very small. It might even disappear. In contrast, your shadow will be the largest when the sun is near the horizon. This is because your body blocks more light.